Oh my god, so I don't want to cover my beautiful lemons here. And I'm just gonna add condensed glue gels on all the nails. So now, if you know exactly where you are going to place your crystal, which is I do, however, I always add more. So with all my clients, I always cover the whole entire nails, but you don't want to do too thick. You see that how my bristles spread because it's nice and thick, which is normal. And then you are going to apply the no wipe top coat right on the top of your unclear condensed glue gels. I'm having so much fun today with all of you because this nails is going to be so gorgeous and happy. Floating the no wipe top coat over on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel, not on the top of the crystal or the butterflies at all. Gorgeous butterflies. It's so adorable. Okay, so I'm gonna add some crystal. You know what, I can add some of this. This is one of my fave. It comes with like 5 colors right now, if you see it on the website. Also it comes with the I think more color. Can you grab me a few more? There's 3 more colors coming, but at the moment right now, if you're seeing it on the website, there are like 3 colors, 5 colors, I'm sorry. Did you see? Oh my god, it's so adorable. Is the gloves. Do you have a pink one, babe? If not, that's okay. I have it all organized on my box and all right, maybe good. You know what, I'm really having fun with this. I'm loving it. Okay, let me put a couple more. You can add different colors. It's right in my hands. I pulled out for our blueberry, and guess what, plant change. So I'm putting my lemons here. Add some beads on. You know what, you're gonna have so much fun with the velvety gels and crystal placement. All of this fun crystal placement, you definitely can find it on our $5 nail art section, and also all the tutorials for pretty much every products we are using is on our YouTube and on ours Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. So I tilt my nails a little bit. Back in, back in, back in. So here's something is really cool and fun. I want to show you something. I'm gonna using precision glue gels really quick. Just the needle end. I'm gonna fill it in right in the center of this beautiful is baby mixture in the Charms collection. I'm gonna add a little beauty together. Let me see. I'm gonna try to get the beautiful centerpiece right there. Okay, all right, one more bead on the end. I like to end with all designs with the beads. It feels so nice. You feel like it complete though. It's like feel like a jewelry have a prongs on. Okay, so you still see yours like lemons in there without covering it, because I don't want to. I can cover everything, but why, you know? All right, here for 60 seconds.